Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by opening Wechat and making sure you are logged in. This gives the app access to scan. Next, grant camera permission if you haven't already. Without it, scanning won't work. Position the device so the QR code fills roughly half the screen and avoid glare. Hold steady and tap the Discover tab or the plus icon. Both lead to the scanner. This gets you into the scanning mode quickly so you can complete the read in the next step. Once in scanner mode, center the QR code inside the on-screen frame. You should be about 6 to 12 inches away depending on camera quality. Make sure autofocus locks. Tap the screen if needed to help focus. Wechat will automatically detect and read the code, then either show a preview or redirect you to a profile, URL, or payment page. If it's a contact QR, tap Add. If it's a link, tap Open. These steps complete the main scan and move you to action. After the scanner reads the code, follow the specific prompt. Confirm adding a contact, open the link, or approve a payment. If nothing happens, first check basics. Clean the camera lens, improve lighting, and hold steady. Once done, try scanning again or use the gallery scan option by tapping the photo icon in the scanner to select a saved QR image. If problems persist, restart Wechat or your phone. That clears temporary glitches and usually resolves scan.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.